on the way to the machine shop. I got parts packed in here. The block and the heads are in the bed. They said it'll take about 3 weeks, so hopefully it takes about 3 weeks and not longer. We'll see.
I'll be right there.
Yeah, the truck raised up. You felt that? All right, we're back at the house. Dropped everything off at the machine shop. It's expensive, obviously, and it's gonna take a while. So I'm working on cleaning out the garage right now so I can start ripping the interior out. That old black turd. Let me show you. Well, obviously, so let's take the engine out. These old, I'll get you, these old beat up seats. I'm gonna replace them. And gotta figure out that situation. Gotta fix that somehow. Gonna be taking the seats out today. I'm probably gonna put this one in the front because it's awesome. Blue leather OG seat. Very cool. If you need any 6.9 IDI parts, please let me know. I don't want them. All right, we have an update. Truck is empty. Taking out these nasty floors. I bought a trailer a while back from, I think, the 70s, and had a similar smell. I'm taking up all this floor. It's pretty gross, but we're making progress. Got the seats out. So I've even left space in the garage. All right, so these screws for the sill plate are just fossilized and pre-stripped. Probably gonna rip that off. Tools. All right, so I forgot to start filming, but making some progress here. Got a good chunk of the trim out. Working on that side over there. Headliner's already about to fall out. We got a bolt here that's so full of paint. Not sure what I'm gonna do. So seatbelt is stuck in the trim there, but that's a problem for later. Okay, we got the headliner out. There's a spot there, see some sunlight, not the best. And then I'll show you some other spots I found. Not great. Okay, got some rust there, and there, and there. So I'll have to deal with that before we start redoing everything. Should probably take the dash out. Don't think I'll be doing that today. Maybe I will, I don't know. As I was doing this, I looked down. There's a hornet crawling out of my shoe. So, I think that would explain that. that's it for today. The dash is driving me crazy. I'm gonna wait till someone more competent comes along. It's probably Chase. Over it. I got a lot done today. Satisfied with that. So, to be continued.